Hello guys, good day to everyone. This is Teacher Jessica of San Jose Central School. Ngayon, pinapakita ko sa inyo yung nasimulan ko. Ako yung Bulan Parang Coordinator ng San Jose Central School. So, this is one of our innovations here in school, the hydroponics. Actually, may isa pa. Next time ko na lang ipapakita sa inyo kung ano man yun. Pero for the meantime, ito na muna yung hydroponics. Thank you for watching, guys. If everything is good and it's great, why do I sit and wait till it's gone? Oh, I tell you, I know I've got enough.